Interpretation of the defects in LPT. What are the different defects that we can have? We can check with the help of LPT. So, diode defect, cracks, porosity, laps and seams, cold shut. These all are the defects that we can detect with the help of the LPT. Indications in the LPT. These all are just a kind of their description, but you just need to know these all steps only. Okay, I mean what the kind of the defects that we have over there. Okay, and we can we can use for which kind of the defects uh, to detect with the help of LPT. Okay, so what are the advantages and disadvantages of the LPT? Okay, so if we talk about the advantages, the defects, very fine surface defects. Okay, works on the variety of the non-porous materials, metal, plastic, ceramics, and simple, portable, and cost-effective. And here we can also use one thing, which is an non-destructive NDT. Okay, so for every techniques we have the one advantage, which is very obvious, which is NDT. Without damaging the product, we can just the defect. Fluorescent penetrants offer the high sensitivity for detecting the micro defects. So for the micro level defect, we have option for the fluorescent penetrants. Okay. Limitations. What are the disadvantages? Only defect. Oh, sorry. Only detect surface breaking defects, not internal defects. So it is also a kind of surface defects which we can detect with the help of these LPT. Okay. Surface must be clean and dry for effective inspections, and if they are not having a clean or very smooth, or sorry, not smooth, very clean, and if they are in this kind of other grease or kind of coating, they must be removed, okay, before taking that LPT test. Okay, so that is a challenging, that is basically the limitation. Directly we cannot go for that inspection. Okay. Okay, so surface must be clean. Okay, not suitable for porous materials, example the wood or concrete. So for the porous material, it is not recommendable because it is not suitable. Okay, so toxic or flammable chemicals may be used in some penetrants. Toxic and flammable chemicals also can be used as a penetrants in these techniques. Okay, applications of liquid LPT. Okay, then industries, and there is the application aerospace, automotive, oil and gas manufacturing, power plants. As you can see, wherever the surface defect is required to be checking, there we can use that kind of you know test or techniques.